Number 5. Shark Handheld Vacuum. A powerful cordless handheld vacuum with a lithium-ion battery and XL capacity. Twister suction technology gives it strong suction power. Detachable XL motorized pet brush removes pet hair. The crevice tool is used for hard-to-reach areas. Lightweight and portable. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Metropolitan Vac and Blow. 4.0 peak horsepower. All steel construction. Vacuum/blower capabilities. 6-foot flexible hose plus 2 to 20-inch extensions. Ships with reusable dust cloth filter bag and 13 attachments. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Black & Decker VDH 2020 FL. Strong suction and fade-free power. Suction power, 24 AW. Pet hair brush easily removes stubborn pet hair. Easy to empty, washable bowl and filter for thorough cleaning. 3-stage filtration system prevents dust and debris from escaping. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Armor All 2.5 gallon. 2.5 gallon polypropylene tank. 2 peak HP motor. 10 feet cord with cord wrap. Blower function, easy conversion. Onboard accessory and hose storage. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Black & Decker Dust Buster. Lithium-ion for long battery life. Long life, lightweight, and no memory effect. Suction power 15.2 AW. Dust bowl capacity, 20.6 ounces. Smart charge technology. Please check the description for details and best price.